Hey there, I wanted to talk to you about the game that I created for this course called Do Details Matter? This is a game for a fourth grade opinion writing course where students are learning how to write a well structured opinion essay based off of the Florida State Standards and the Florida Scoring Rubric. And one of the ways that students can earn quite a bit of points on their essay is through writing good detailed elaboration for their different reasons that are supporting their opinion. And so that's where this game comes into play. One thing I do want to point out about this game is that it can actually be played, it's very adaptable. It can be played by any age level, really, as you're learning to first write sentences and you want to write in some details in those sentences, maybe starting just with some basic adjectives for first graders, all the way up to maybe even high school level where you're wanting them to write really strong arguments or details in their essays that they're writing up in high school level. So it's very, very adaptable. It can also be played synchronously or asynchronously. I've written for it to be played specifically synchronously in a Zoom setting, but it can be played asynchronously as well. And so you can kind of, as an instructor, take this and use it how you need it to be. It's based off of the game Apples to Apples, and let's go through explaining how this game works. So first of all, you want to split your class into teams. I just used a random teams program called Jinsey to split the class into teams. You want your teams to be 3 to 4 students. That's really ideal. 5 at the most, but no less than 3. So at least 3 students between 3 and 5 would be the best for your class. And then this slide right here is going to be really important for the game. This would be a slide that you could show your students and in your class. And it's also a good slide for you as an instructor to review. It goes through all of the different steps. But as the game is over in Padlet, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Padlet link so that you can see what the game would look like for the students. So here's the Padlet post. In this game, students are essentially split into teams, and each person on the team is going to tackle each topic. So tackle topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, topic 4, however many topics you want. You can use different topics than what I created. This is just a sample. But you kind of want to think about how much time you have to play the game as to how many topics you have. You could even have one person from the team tackle topic 1, one person from the team do topic 2, one person from the team do topic 3. So there's lots of different ways. Like I said, it's a really versatile game. But the students are basically going to read the topic sentence. This would be like a topic sentence that they would write in their paragraph. And they're going to elaborate on that topic sentence by writing 1 to 2 or 3 more sentences. And they're going to create that as a post. So they'll click on the little plus part, and it will give them a screen where they can type those sentences in and create it as a post. Okay. And then their teammates are going to go to that post and they're going to read what their teammate wrote, and they are going to draw a picture to represent, because the whole purpose of details in sentences is so that your readers can visualize what you're talking about and that they can have a better understanding. And so in this case, it really helps the students to see, ooh, the more details that I add, the better my teammates can draw the picture. And so each person will click on underneath and they'll be able to post by clicking right here. They can post a picture. They can actually take a picture with a camera, so they can draw it on a piece of paper, or there's even a way that they can draw online, which is pretty cool too. And they'll post their picture on the sentence. And then the original poster will go back and they're going to like the one that they think best represents what they wrote. And so that's kind of where the apples to apples theme comes in. Like I said, it was based off of apples to apples, where, in the game, you have one person lays down a card and then everybody else lays down a card that should go with the card. And the person who laid down the original card picks the one that they think goes best with it. There's not really winning and losing in this game, which I also like, because some students are competitive, some students aren't competitive. It gives that game element without making it feel like, oh, I've won or oh, I've lost. And, so it's really kind of giving that fun game element in a much less threatening setting. The most important part of the game is this reflection piece, where students then go back through. This is kind of bringing in that constructivism learning theory, where students are thinking, well, what did I notice? How did those details matter? Why should I write detailed sentences? And so this is a really important piece. Again, you can have students reflect individually. You can have them reflect as teams in Zoom breakout rooms, really adaptable. But this is the game that I've created for the course, and I hope that you enjoy it.